How to enable Hik-Connect on DVR and VR local GUI and add it to Hik-Connect app. Preparations: please connect the DVR or NVR to the internet in advance. Go to Menu. Configuration. Network. General. Do not enable DNS DHCP. Input 8.8.8.8 into the preferred DNS server. Alternate DNS server is not required to fill in. Click on the Apply button. Then go to Platform Access. Click the checkbox to enable Hik-Connect and create the verification code. Click the checkbox, then click OK. Enable stream encryption, which means that you should input the verification code when you get the live view of the device for the first time via Hik-Connect. Click Apply. The status has become online. Then log in on Hik-Connect app with the registered account and password. Click the Add icon at the top right corner. Scan the QR code which is on Platform Access page, or tap the pen icon at the upper right corner of the interface and input the device serial number manually. It was added successfully. Tap the device screenshot to enter the live view interface.